Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you. All right, here's the painting, the paint pour that I did when I did the live. It opened up a little more. I got more yellow in there, but it's not what I'm looking for. It's not what I wanted. So, those paint pours that are mixed already, I don't know what, I didn't read what fluids they have in there, what medium they're using. I don't have the cells that I want. I don't like it. I don't like it. So you can pour over these, and I'm going to do another paint pour and pour over the top of this. See what else I come up with. This, I don't care for. I really don't. So stay tuned. I'm mixing my own colors instead of using the paint pour pre-mixed colors. And I have this pink here, which is it's a color shift folk art pink. Then we have this vibrant blue, which is also a folk art, and it's a cobalt blue. And then I'm using this gold mustard color, and it is folk art. It's called Turner's Yellow, and I added a little bit of gold, metallic gold in there. And then the last one, I'm just going to use 4 colors, is a titanium white, and it is folk art as well, titanium white. So I will be using a pouring medium in these to try to get some cells. And what I'm going to use is this Nick Pro pouring medium. This, as well as, no, I brought the wrong one up. Acrylic pouring colors. This is not what I wanted. Anyway, I'm not going to use that one. I brought this one up. I'm going to use this gloss pouring medium that came with my Pouring Masters kit. So I'm going to pre-mix these 2 to 1. So I have this amount. Oh, how much is in here? About this much actual paint is in here. So I have to put twice as much, 3 times as much. So it's a 1 to 3 ratio. So I'm gonna mix these paints up with the pouring medium, and we'll be back. I'm really loving this one. It turned out so much better than that first paint pour. I've got plenty of cells in here, got some lacing going on, and I did some modification. I modified it, I put swirls in here, and this one is gorgeous. I am satisfied now. Absolutely beautiful. It's still wet. It's been sitting here overnight and it's not quite dry yet. But it turned out really, really nice. I think. Just beautiful. Yo, look at this detail. Look at the detail. No two pictures will ever, no two paint pours will ever turn out the same. And you really just don't know what you're going to get. You really don't. I had added 3 drops of silicone in that cobalt blue. That's the only cup of paint that I added silicone to. The other 3 cups, the other cups I just put the medium in and a little bit of water. You have to have them all at the same consistency when you pour. So some paints were thicker than others, and I added a few drops of water to the containers to get them all the same consistency before I put the what is this stuff called that I just said? The paint medium in. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Now here's my ceramic tile that I put the blues in and silver with resin. And this is what I got. Like I said, it sits overnight or however long it takes to cure, and it just definitely changes the alcohol ink and resin move until it sets up and cures, and then it can't move anymore. So this is the final results of this. And I got a little piece of dried resin here, which I would be able to use for something. See if I can get it up. Using one hand, so I'm having a little difficulty. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on, come on. I want y'all to see this. Look at the details in just that little piece. That was overflow. And then, this is the picture frame that I did with the purples and pinks, silver and gold. That's beautiful as well. That's really gorgeous. Now, this is interesting how the alcohol ink spread like that. And I did some modification to this one as well. I'm going to embellish it with some rhinestones, just a few here and there. I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything to the frame. We'll see. But that is all. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Please give me a thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. I have more up and coming as always. And the notification bell is there for you to see more of what I have coming. Be notified. So peace and love, everyone. Enjoy your day, evening, afternoon, and we'll see you soon. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.